Jumpy Kids! ABC songs.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for broccoli, a healthy treat. C is for cake with candles bright. D is for donut, a sugary bite. I yum yum yum, come sing with me, learning letters A to Z. E is for eggs, sunny and round. F is for French fries, crispy and brown. G is for grapes in a bunch. H is for hamburger, let's munch munch munch. Yum yum yum, come sing with me, learning letters A to Z. I is for ice cream, cold and fun. J is for jelly, wiggly on the run. K is for ketchup, squeeze it out. L is for lime with a tangy shout. Yum yum yum, come sing with me, learning letters A to Z. M is for milk, fresh and white. N is for nuggets, take a bite. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pizza, best food in town. Yum yum yum, come sing with me, learning letters A to Z. Q is for quesadilla, cheesy and warm. R is for radish, grown on a farm. S is for steak, hot off the grill. T is for tacos, spice up your meal. Yum yum yum, come sing with me, learning letters A to Z. U is for udon noodles, long and wide. V is for vegetables, eat with pride. W is for watermelon, juicy and red. X is for some fruit you may not have read. Yum yum yum, come sing with me, learning letters A to Z. Y is for yogurt, creamy and cold. Z is for zucchini, green and bold. We sang our ABCs today, with yummy foods in every way. A to Z, now we're through. Let's sing again, just me and you knew.
Jumpy Kids! Tap subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fun moment.